Hello everyone, Barb here from barbederholt.closetomyheart.com. Here is my haul video for the April through June catalog for 2023. In my order, they did put one of the new catalogs, and I did do a walkthrough of this earlier, so you should have already seen that. Lots of beautiful things in this catalog. First, I'm going to dig out the stamp sets. This is the Cosette card making stamp and thin cut set. So you can see all of the items that are shaded mean that there's a coordinating thin cut or die. And just really neat little foliage and some beautiful little sentiments. And they're curved so that they'll fit around the curved nature of those shapes. I think this is going to be a lot of fun to play with. Here's a little sneak peek of the May stamp of the month. This one is called Little Stinkers. I love it. I love the little adorable skunks. Isn't that cute? This is Sounds Like It Hurt stamp and thin cut set. This was my must-have at the top of my list. I ordered this first. I wanted to make sure I got it because in the past when we have had stamp and thin cut sets like this, they have sold out quickly. So if this is something you're interested in with those adorable little band-aids, do not hesitate. Run, don't walk. Lots of cute sentiments. Really, really nice. This paper pack is called Cosette. Lots of pretty papers. This was the whole big packet of all of the things. So these are very thin cardboard punch outs. You can see there are butterflies and different hearts and all sorts of neat things. I have a project coming up that I'm really excited to use this for. Some kind of vintagey, but not super brown vintagey, which I like. We'll look at the papers. So each of the papers are two-sided, so you can see there's the zip strip, which is the back side of the branding strip. And remember, our branding strips always give you a list of all of the coordinating cardstock colors, which I think is so nice. And we'll flip these around so you can see the different patterns that come in this. There are, let's see, yep, this is what we've got. Super pretty. Like I said, it's got a vintage nature to it, but it's not overly brown. So I'm excited about using this. This also came with the coordinating cardstock. In fact, this was a bundle that I ordered as part of the launch for the new catalog. So all of the different colors. This is a really neat set of papers. This one is called Hey Handsome, and as a mom of boys, this is really cool. But definitely some patterns in here that don't necessarily have to be for boys. So there are some things here. You can certainly use these kinds of patterns to get around the boy nature. This one also has some neat vintage vibey images on it, so I'm looking forward to using that as well. This is the mix-in for April through June. So there are 6 different pieces of paper here. I'm going to spread them out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and they are, like all of our paper, double-sided. So you can see what they look like on one side, and then this is what they look like on the other. Isn't that beautiful? I love those textures. I think that's really pretty, and it definitely goes with the rest of the papers in this catalog. The last little goodie I have here is the Hello Darlin' Scrapbook Workshop. So this is a whole workshop. It comes with all sorts of goodies, and these beautiful instructions for putting together 3 2-page scrapbook layouts. Just beautiful. There are also some little, let me think, what are these? They're not an enamel shape, but sort of plastic. And then there's some punch outs of some stars and different things here. They also give you some photo placeholders to put on there. I like to put those in place, especially if I do not have my photos ready to go. Beautiful sticker sheet. Isn't that lovely? I just think that's gorgeous. Then here's what the paper looks like. Let's get this out. And again, 2-sided paper, beautiful, red, white, and blue. Red, white, and blue stuff always sells out. So if this one catches your eye, I would put it at the top of your list. Oh, look at that. So beautiful. And other than that one floral pattern, oh, yep, pretty neutral, not crazy over the top flowery. Just so vibrant and pretty. Then of course in the kit you get some extra punch art that comes with, so some stars and different shapes, and easy to punch out, super easy to get it out. Then they do include a couple of specialty pieces of paper that are not a part of the regular paper pack. These papers over here you can just buy individually. You can buy a paper pack of Hello Darlin' and it will have these papers in it. If you buy the Scrapbooking Workshop, you get these bonus pattern pieces of paper. They don't have anything on the back side. They're single-sided. That's how you know they're bonus. Then the workshop also comes with the cardstock. So you've got Sapphire, Candy Apple, and White Daisy. So pretty. I am really looking forward to using these products. I think that this catalog is gorgeous. I hope that you will give it a look. Go to barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com and you can click and look on the catalog and see it for yourself. When you place your first order, they will throw a complimentary catalog in with your order. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a blessed, crafty day, and thanks for watching.